world of finance is changing rapidly, and it's all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. In recent years, AI has become increasingly prevalent in the finance industry, allowing businesses to make better decisions, automate processes, and gain deeper insights into market trends. Today, we're going to take a closer look at AI in finance and how machine learning is reshaping the industry. At its core, the finance industry is all about making predictions. Whether it's predicting market trends or making investment decisions, the ability to accurately forecast the future is essential, and that's where AI comes in. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot. This means that businesses can make better informed decisions and reduce their risk exposure. But it's not just about predictions. AI is also transforming other areas of finance, such as fraud detection and customer service. By using machine learning algorithms to identify unusual patterns in financial transactions, businesses can detect fraudulent activity in real time and take action to prevent it. And when it comes to customer service, AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 support, helping customers to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Of course, all of this data analysis requires vast amounts of computing power, which is where data centers come in. These facilities store and process the huge amounts of data generated by AI algorithms, making it possible to derive insights from the data in real time. So, what does this all mean for the future of finance? Well, we can expect to see more and more businesses using AI to improve their operations, from trading algorithms to risk management systems. And as machine learning algorithms become more sophisticated, we can expect to see even greater insights and accuracy in financial predictions. As we've seen, AI in finance is reshaping the industry in profound ways. By leveraging the power of machine learning, businesses can gain deeper insights into market trends, reduce risk exposure, detect fraudulent activity, and provide better service to their customers. The future of finance is looking bright, and we can't wait to see how AI continues to transform this dynamic industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the topic we covered today, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and respond to their comments. Thanks for watching.